Welcome to Pitts Lane in Earley. In front of me, a very attractive bay-fronted detached family home which has been significantly extended and presented in excellent condition throughout. I'm going to give you a full walkthrough video, but just to show you the front here, we've got lots of off-road parking, gravel parking and garage to side. As we come through the front door, we've got a nice size entrance hall with doors off to all rooms and stairs leading to the first floor. Useful understairs storage cupboard. The first reception room to my right, the bay fronted room, has a lovely open fireplace. I would say this is very much, the snug or formal sitting room perhaps. It's got shutters to part of the front window as well. Decor throughout is very neutral. Across the hallway, got a very useful home office setup. Again with outlook to the front. And then the final reception room, set up currently as a lounge dining room with doors opening onto the garden, which we'll go out to in a short while, but a lovely long and mature garden, not overlooked at all. So again, we've got a fireplace here, but this is a gas fire. And the window straight ahead is between here and the study, so you've got some borrowed light between the two rooms. And there is a small stained glass window on the side as well, which is quite pretty. Okay, then we have kitchen breakfast room. So again, nice view down through the garden, modern shaker style in a pale green finish, very nice. There's integrated fridge, double oven, dishwasher, 4-in gas hob with extractor above. Again, all very nicely presented. And again, just to give you some idea of the very nice sort of view down the garden there. Straight ahead then, this door takes us through into a good sized utility room. So again, number of storage units. There's also a door from here out to the garden, so lots of options for access to the garden. Maybe you've got pets that you need letting in and out of the garden, bring them into here when they're got rather wet fur. Boilers in here as well, up on the wall, which as you'll see is a modern Worcester Bosch boiler. There's a dishwasher built in here as well. And then just ahead of me, we've got the downstairs WC. Finally, on the ground floor, let me just show you the garage from inside. Naturally, as you might expect, it's really just used for storage rather than a car. It's probably big enough to get a very small car in, but it is ideal storage, and it's useful that it's accessed from the house, and I guess someone could also convert it should they wish. Okay, so we're on the first floor now. Let's start with the master bedroom, which does benefit from ensuite. So again, we're on the right hand side of the house if we're looking at the front, so has the benefit of the bay window. You'll notice there's some full height fitted wardrobes. Good, really nice sized double bedroom. And then ensuite shower room. So we've got a nice big curved shower unit, WC and wash basin. And again, very nice circular stained glass window. To my right is the fourth bedroom. So the smallest of the four, but to be fair, it's still a very good, it's a large single, could be a small double, but definitely a large single. Again, with very nice outlook down the garden. Bedroom 2, again rear aspect. Worth giving you that elevated view down the garden. And then bedroom 3. So again, another good double, built-in wardrobes and frontal aspect. On the landing there's an airing cupboard just to my right hand side, just here at the head of the stairs. And then finally the family bathroom. So you've got full-size bath, wash basin and WC over to the left with some storage in the middle. Okay, so finally the rear garden, which I mentioned earlier, is a really good size, great for families growing up, kicking footballs around and the like. It's a really nicely established garden, lots of established hedgerow and mature planting. As we come down the garden, you'll see to my left a useful summer house come store. So that's really useful and a good size. There's also a veggie patch and greenhouse at this far end. There is side access between the front and rear of the property, and hopefully this gives you a really good view of the rear of the property. As I mentioned earlier, it's had a full width extension, 2-storey across the back, and obviously the utility room just over to the left as we look at it now. If you'd like further details, or if you'd like to arrange a viewing, we're going to be booking viewings in over the next few days, please do get in touch. We'd be delighted to show you around. Thank you for watching.